In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can operate keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and uncovering your toolbar by tapping on this icon at the top left corner. Then click on this clipboard icon on the left. Now you can read all of those instructions and even click on this gear at the top right corner to access clipboard settings. You can click on this switcher next to Remember Copied Items to enable or disable this feature, and this one next to Single Column View to do the same. When you're ready adjusting it, you can add a new clip from here by clicking on it. Then typing in whatever you want to and choosing Save. To get rid of it, swipe it to the right. Now, if you wish to use your clipboard, you can also just copy any text. And to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. If you want to paste it later on, but within an hour, click on Clipboard and tap on it here. If you want to use it after an hour, use this pin icon on the right to pin it, and the same no black one if you wish to unpin it. To go back to standard keyboard, click on this icon at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!